Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to animate a hamburger menu correctly and avoid common mistakes. Repositioning the menu icon below the frame. Let's create a component and add a variant. Click on the frame within the variant to transform these three lines into an X. Expand the frame of the component. Now, let's generate multiple variants and assign each menu position to a specific variant. This is crucial for achieving seamless animations. Reduce the frames of each variant to X. Note that clip content is turned off for each option. I'll explain the significance of this choice at the end of the video. We apply the on-click action from the hamburger menu to the first option, and for all the following ones, we use after delay. Feel free to set your preferred duration for the after delay action. Configuring the animation to transition from the last variant to the first. This step ensures that the menu will close when we press the X. Remove the menu icon, navigate to Assets, and insert our component into the frame where the menu icon was located. Before revealing the final result, let's take a look at some common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's explore the scenario where all the component options have clip content enabled. As you can see, the navigation menu has disappeared, and we only observe the animation of the menu icon. This happens because clip content allows us to retain objects within the frame even when they are moved out of view. They are still there, but they remain hidden from sight. Next, with clip content enabled again, we expand the frames of all options until they become visible. In the following scenario, the menu icon moves to the right and starts opening outside the visible area of the frame. It's worth noting that if you open the menu to the right side of the icon, this issue does not occur. Let's finally witness the result of the correct animation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See ya!